Welcome to Excel in Art. In this video, we're going to draw a difficult item. It's going to be a gear. First, we go into View. We get rid of the grid lines. So to draw a gear, go into Insert, Shapes, choose a circle, take out the fill. Let's make it black. Copy it. The second circle, make it smaller. Put it inside. Let's make it the same, 7.99. I don't know if that's exactly the same. Hopefully. Sometimes they're not exactly the same. Okay. Let's actually go align center. Okay. Insert shape, find a square. Okay, this is going to have a bit of a curve to it. Shape, no fill, outline, automatic. Just see how it fits. Okay. Go copy, paste. Let's make a whole bunch. Okay. Let's straighten this out. Let's align these. Oops, not that one, not middle. Line, center. Okay. You can use the square ones without the rounded corners. That's fine too. Just going to put them in more. I guess this ring here. Just line it up like that. Okay, just to make it easier, take these three, group them, copy them, oops, put those back, paste, rotate them. That. All these ones we don't need. Go select objects, delete them. Let's try that again. Select objects. And it's not perfect. I'm just doing it really quickly. If I took my time, I'd space these ones out a little closer. Just move that in a little more. Like that. Okay. So now we don't need this outside circle. Get rid of that. Now we go select objects. And you can group them. Okay. Shape fill, black. I think I want it maybe grayish, like this. Something. Maybe that. Gradient. I'm not sure. Let's use that one. And then I think shape outline will take out, or maybe make it really thin. I don't know. Or different color. This way, sorry. Shape outline. I think we'll take it out completely for our gear. And let's see if we can make a bevel for it that looks good. I don't know if it'll look good. That's interesting. Let's take that one and then go into the properties, Let's just see what we have here. Okay, we can take the width down a little bit. Okay, that's a little bit better. Height. I'll just leave that part as it is. Okay, so it's there. Let's just see what other materials there are. We leave it like it was. Bring down the width a little more. We change the angle. Don't know if that's working. Oh, the depth. Let's add some depth to it. Is it changing? Or sorry, not the. Don't want to do that. Sorry, I meant rotation. Move the rotation, and then we set the depth. Like that. Okay. Now we can see if we can play with the color a little bit. And then here, let's see if the height, how that looks. We want a little bit of height, width. Tiny bit of width. Okay. Lighting. A little bit of that. Let's go back here. Shadow. Give it a little bit of shadow. Okay. What else? Somebody's racing their vehicle in gear. Okay. Let's see here what this one does. That's interesting. Let's see what this one does. Oh, that's a nice gear. What if we change the material back to what it was? No, I don't want that. I don't want that to stick out like that. What I actually want is this middle part. Bring to front. Okay. Let's just see here. Leave that color. That's interesting. That's interesting. Lots of different ways to do that. I'm going to leave it like that. Contour, I don't know. What's the contour right now? Black or something? Let's just see. That's kind of cool. I want orange, I think. Yeah. How's that? It looks okay. Maybe blue was better. Yeah, blue was better, I think. Let's do it that way. The depth, maybe blue again. I don't know. Looks cool. Let's see what this one would do. That's interesting too. I think we're going to leave it blue. All right. This middle part, shape effects. I'm going to have some glow to it. I don't know. Do we want to have the whole thing glowing? Shape outline. Shape fill. Oops. Glow. Interesting. Yeah, we don't need that. Anyways, so that's the gear. Thanks for watching.